Hello, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on here, you are highly welcome, and please hit the subscribe button and I will be most grateful for that. Today we are making Nigerian puff puff. This recipe is so easy. Yeah guys, it is very easy, and if you are so interested to know how I make this delicious puff puff, please keep watching. Okay, so let's dive into the video. For the recipe, I'll be using 3 cups of flour. Add it into a bowl. Now add 2 teaspoons of yeast. Mix. A teaspoon of salt. 3 spoons of granulated sugar. And start stirring with your hands or spatula. Make sure they are properly mixed together. Now add 150 to 200 ml of warm milk or water. To mix properly, stir for a few more minutes until they are properly integrated together. Okay? Be adding water bit by bit until you get the desired consistency you are looking for. Okay, don't make it too thick and don't make it too watery. Now this is the consistency I am looking for. So at this point I'll be adding my pepper. I'm actually using hot pepper. I'm also adding onion just to get that onion taste, and mix it very well until all the ingredients are combined together. I'm done mixing it. I will go ahead to wrap it with kitchen napkin. After covering it, I will leave it on this table for 45 minutes or thereabouts to double in size. This is 47 minutes. I'm going to go ahead to check it. As you can see, this is what it looks like. The butter have doubled in size. Next, with a spatula, I'm going to mix it together to reduce some bubbles. Okay, now I'm going to fry it. Now the oil is hot enough. Scoop some in your palm and squeeze into the oil. Allow it to escape through the circle made by your thumbs and an index finger. Okay, don't bother about making it so big. What you drop into the oil will triple in size before it comes out of the oil. Okay, as well, you don't need to force it to be round. Once it fries and increase in size, it will automatically, attain the usual shape. When you get it right, it should be, somewhat spherical and sometimes with a horn. It should float if the oil is properly heated. So continue until the oil is covered. Observe and turn once you see that usual color of puff-puff. Sometimes it turns by itself, but if it didn't, you have to do it yourself. The heat also. The oil, when heated too much, could burn the puff-puff before it is properly cooked. And when it is not heated at all, your puff-puff gets soaked into in too much oil. Now fry the puff-puff very well. Now continue with the process until you have fried all the batter. Now that is how to make puff-puff, Nigerian puff-puff. Puff up your phone. Oh yeah, take a snap, send it to me. Enjoy with your favorite soft drinks. I'm taking mine with my favorite drink, Coke. Oh, so guys, the puff-puff is ready. This is Nigeria puff-puff. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.